We're in the construction area that we have a light on and off. This is Lumary, a UFO bay light. It is 150 watts, 2200 lumen, 2700 Kelvin through 6000 plus Kelvin. It has here a special piece that goes on included. Please remove the little cover that comes with it in order for it to operate. It screws into the bottom and touches the connections. Make sure it is on. You're going to plug in the light and you want to see it flash. And that will be the pairing mode. And you're going to download Lumary app and connect the unit. The unit flashes. You're going to open up the application. You have about 3 minutes to do so. It discovers the device immediately. If you don't have a discoverable device because of this little plastic, you're going to add the discovering device. It's known as the Lumary Smart High Bay Light. Downloading its software to use the application as well as the remote control. The app must be ran to use the remote control and the application. The industrial lighting switch. We turn the light off and on and change the kelvins. We'll demonstrate this in a construction room so you can see what is happening. We could adjust the brightness, have one light or many lights in the warehouse studio ran by a smartphone. We could turn the light off and on via the switch. Hold the reset button down, turn the light on. As it's breathing, 5 seconds goes by, turn the light on and off. It is that simple to operate. And we could change the kelvins by going from one side to the other side. We can change the kelvins by a press of a button. And we could go from 10%, 50%, 100%. With the application open and closed, we could simply control this anywhere we want. Increase and decrease the brightness and change the kelvins. We could dedicate a color. We could set a time schedule and we can execute it. We can add the time schedule and go back to the main screen. We can edit in some notes, the device name, tap to run an automation. We can use Alexa, Google Assist, and SmartThing. We have offline notifications, share the device with other people so they can turn on the unit. Add a home member. We have groups, a user's guide, and so forth. So if you're looking for a UFO bay light to do your work, light up an area warehouse wherever you need, IP rated, remote control, I hope this product is something that you are after. Do not forget the Lumary hub for additional gateway hookups. You get the brick, the hub, the USB A to C cable that you will require to download the application, hook it up to run the units. It is not required for just one light, but for many lights and so forth. They have a rubber feet, little cooling area, and LED indicators. Check online for further detail about these products. Hook this up with 200 lights. I thank you for viewing and hope you enjoy your product.